Hey guys, today I've got an LG smaller size refrigerator. It's designed to fit into a kitchen that maybe has a little bit less width space. In this case, 30 inches across. It's actually 29.75, but it fit in a 30-inch space. It's in excellent condition, stainless steel. It does have a couple little marks here if you can see it. A couple little marks there. Otherwise, overall, excellent condition. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact cooling like it's supposed to. So I've got my temp gun and we'll shine that right in between those two red dots. It's going to take a surface temperature measurement, so it's about 62 degrees on the outside here. We'll open this up. I believe I have it set to 37 or so, and as we shine it there you can see right around about 37 degrees, right where it's supposed to be, 36, 37. And I'll show you the inside. All the shelves and everything are in perfect shape. Everything pulls out here and works perfect. And you've got your controls on top here where you can adjust the temperature, turn the ice up. There is an ice maker in the freezer, which I'll show you. And we'll pull this out, shoot this right down in here. Yeah, it's supposed to be -6, so it's pretty close. In here we've got, I put a little bucket in here to catch the ice. Makes it a little more convenient. You can switch that off if you want as well. And it's got this pull-out drawer here, big deep drawer on the bottom. And it's got an assisted handle too. When you pull up on this, it pops this out in case you have to get right back into the freezer, which can sometimes be a pain. But yeah, that's it overall. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. All the details are in the description of the ad. Y'all have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.